If you want to lay turf in autumn, you couldn't be more correct. The Victorian autumn, it's the season of golden leaves, crisp air, sudden bouts of cold weather, and believe it or not, the perfect time to lay new turf. Surprised? You shouldn't be. If you've been holding off for that lush green lawn because you thought summer was the only window, think again. The Victorian autumn is actually one of the best times to roll out that fresh new turf and set yourself up for success before winter arrives. But don't just take my word for it, let's break it down. Now, why is autumn so good for laying turf? Well, it's like a Goldilocks situation. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. The soil is still warm from summer, encouraging strong root growth, while the cooler temperatures mean less stress on the grass. And here's a bonus, you'll spend less time watering and mowing. Who doesn't love a bit of a break from lawn maintenance? So you've laid your new autumn turf. How long before it's ready to go? In the first week, it's all about hydration. Water it daily to help those roots take hold in our high evaporation Victorian weather. By week 2, things start to settle in and you can ease up on the watering. After 2 to 4 weeks, you should have a fully established lawn, ready to handle whatever the Victorian winter throws at it. Not all grass varieties are created equal, especially when laying in autumn. Here are some of the autumn MVPs of the turf world. Sir Walter DNA certified, the all-rounder. Handles sun, shade, kids, pets, you name it, tough. This is the tough one. If your lawn sees a lot of foot traffic, this is your best bet. It's a water saver, so it's less thirsty, still lush and green, and perfect for autumn installation. If you're worried about frost, we've got solutions. Frost blankets protect your turf on those chilly nights, while Colour Guard Plus keeps your lawn looking greener for longer, even as temperatures drop. Because let's be honest, no one wants a sad brown lawn in autumn. So yes, you can lay turf in autumn, and it's the secret weapon for probably some of the most lush and beautiful lawns I've seen. The soil is still warm, and the cooler weather reduces stress on the grass. But aim for early to mid-autumn, laying your lawn so it has enough time to establish before winter. If you're ready to transform a front yard, nature strip, playground, backyard, or anything else that needs grass, there's no better time than now. Follow us if you love your lawn.